I have built this AI agent again, and this time it is for Indian Railways. Like, if we need a help with train schedule, live status, or seat availability checking, I have created this agent to make getting that information effortlessly. So, right here in the Cursor IDE, with the help of model context protocol, as you can see, I am just typing a simple command, and my agent instantly fetches the exact information needed. So, I have given him a simple command that give me the Hyderabad to Tirupati scheduled train list on the given date. Like, let's see the date of 25 July, and then I have to just click on this run tool, and you can see it is fetching the live information currently, and that too in just few seconds. Yes, you heard it right. If you type the same stuff on ChatGPT, the ChatGPT will unable to tell you, because ChatGPT has the only stored information. Okay, it can't tell you the live information because this information is updated live currently. So that's why my AI agent tells all this information live, and sometimes it also don't show the information because if it is not updated live. Okay, that's why ChatGPT only show the information that is stored in it, but whereas this AI agent shows us the live information. So as you can see, he has generated the whole list. Now let's check for the seat availability for the Krishna Express. Now, as we are seeing on the 25th July train, so again it will call the tool. Okay, and the message has finally came that it's currently not showing any data. Okay, basically he's saying that the data haven't released yet, or else the seats may have got full. Okay, so that's a good thing though, because as I mentioned, this is the exact live information with which our AI agent is dealing with. Okay, so anyways, let's extract the train information for this Krishna Express. So as you can see how seamlessly he has generated the whole information about the train in just few seconds, right? Not even the minutes, I can say, in just few seconds he has given each and everything to us. Like, you can even try this with various other stuff too. So I thought of this building for the Indian railway system, because before booking any train we can get the whole schedule, like which train is available and which is not, and each and everything he has given in just few seconds. So this is the advantage of this AI agent. And yes, as I mentioned, you can even try this on any other AI tools, but they will be unable to show you, because that's the main reason. All the other chat gpt like tools, they work on the information which has been provided to them. So that's why these AI tools come in uh, picture with the model context protocol, because they deal with the live data that is available, right? So let's see and get for the live status on 26 July. So you can see he has even mentioned the train haven't started journey yet, so that's why he's unable to provide it. Like, so yes, this AI agent has played a vital role in this, and my main goal was to make your information gathering clear and in easy way with this help tool, and I hope that it was helpful to you. Well, till that time, we'll meet in next video with another AI agent. Thank you.